Morning, friends. Happy full moon. I feel inspired this morning to come to you first thing during my morning practice because there is so much magic in the air today. And that's the message of this morning. The word for today is magic. I woke up super early. I will say that I didn't sleep very well. I went to bed very much feeling, and I felt this yesterday too, the polarity and the intense contrast in which we're living right now. On one hand, the beauty and the truth of what we know is possible and the larger harmony that we know is here and that we trust. And on the other hand, the undeniable challenges and the actual suffering of many people and the dismantling of so many aspects of our world, including our environment and our social structures. So on one hand, pain and confusion, and on the other hand, immense beauty. And I was really feeling that as I slept and I prayed for my own understandings of how I could show up and how I could get back to equilibrium, because I really wobbled yesterday. And I woke up early and I got up and went for a walk to connect with this amazing conjunction of Venus and Mars. And the moon hadn't set yet. And in the west was the beautiful moon, gibbous moon, almost full, on the horizon. And in the east, the incredible marriage of Venus and Mars, which I talk a little bit more about in the full moon video. But what I want to bring forward about it today is this truth of the marriage that we are in, the marriage we are in, the bridging of the worlds, and the significance and importance of us connecting to the fact that we are always held. The card in the position of spirit in the full moon spread is the card that represents our awareness of the grids. The science card could also be called magic. They're the same. They're two sides of the same coin, and this is signifies our need to continue to affirm the connection to the larger grids of order into which we're expanding, and our own sovereignty here in this world requires that. And the Sabian symbol for today is about magic. It's the archetype of children together, a group of children blowing soap bubbles. And what this, the teaching behind this image is of us being on this frontier of new possibilities and new potentials, and feeling the beauty of what is coming, of the future, and joining together to hold space for that future into which we are evolving and growing. And at the same time, we are being called to claim our authority. So there's a paradox here. And what I'm sitting here with my morning candle and my own morning practice, and extending to you an invitation to ask for help yourself in what is necessary in creating that bridge. Because every time we feel confusion or challenge, it's because we're at the threshold of a new level of understanding. And actually this morning I've had some answers to some questions already that were causing me some pain yesterday. So I hold space for you today to find the magic, to connect to the magic. And when you don't feel the magic, to know that you're being held always, and that the larger container is supporting you and helping you return to your own equilibrium. So the adjustment card is a super helpful archetype if you feel resonance with that, for the acknowledgement that we move in and out of equilibrium constantly, and our gift is to know that the return to center is always available, and to be compassionate with ourselves and each other in this process. So I send now compassion and appreciation and gratitude to each of you for your ability to show up for your journey and to continue to commit to the magic of the unseen and the magic of what is yet to unfold, and the trust that we will continue to grow together. The card that keeps coming for me in my personal spreads over the last 2 weeks is the universe, and she came again this morning. And so know that we are in a birth process, and that challenges are enormous, and also is the beauty and the truth of what we are here to do together. And so set your intentions today for yourself, for your ongoing path of realization, and for your ability and our ability to hold each other as we continue on our journey of unfolding. So here's to magic, and have a really great day.